Go. Okay, okay. Go in your bedroom.
What? What's in my bedroom? Oh my goodness! Look at this! A flower! Look, Mommy, a flower! What does this do? What does this do? Oh my God! It's for nighttime, Lillian. Mommy, this is a nightlight.
Do you even notice the colors?
Wow.
Look at your walls.
It looks cool. Even we have heart covers and heart
Hi, guys.
pillows.
Look at. Oh, look at this. Look at him. He missed you. Oh, and he missed me too.
Look at our bookshelf. Mommy,
Look at. Daddy painted your room.
Mommy, I did this to Lily.
Look at it. Look at him.
Mommy did it. Daddy did everything for us.
Isn't that nice? He did a purple and pink room for you.